I'm Brian Baker, Director of Sales with Nine Technology.
Great. Good evening, everybody. My name is Adam Sell. I'm a marketing associate with Nine Technology, and we're here tonight to tell you about our new programs. We're going to be this month launching a couple of innovative and groundbreaking data backup technologies that are going to absolutely revolutionize the industry. We founded just this month, actually. If you might have seen our release across the PR Newswire about a week and a half ago, so we're still getting hits on the original press release. It's great. And we work exclusively with evaluated resellers and managed service providers and managed service. Wow, I can't talk today.
Service providers.
Thank you. Thank you. He can say it. I can't. And with IT consultants, and we're obviously focused on backup and recovery. We've been working very closely with Alex Stoev, a very high-ranking industry veteran who's been putting together and architecting the system. We actually heard from him today that the systems that we're about to show you the details of have been producing some very incredible and efficient backup speeds and recovery speeds, such that he's talking about these things that are going twice the speed of the industry standards. I mean, a lot of people here, I'm sure, already do a lot of backing up. I mean, it's a very tech-savvy crowd. I'm sure everybody here has one backup strategy or another that they've been using with their companies. But he's talking about double the upload speed and 8 times the recovery speed. And these were based on tests that he did just this afternoon. So we've got offices in the U.S. We're based in Middleborough, Massachusetts. Alex works out of Canada, and we've got our development team based in China.
Basically, I mean, reasons for customers needing backup, minimize downtime. We're trying to eliminate data loss. Basically, what our technology is doing is it's compressing, encrypting, and deduplicating all the information before it leaves the customer location and going off-site to one of our 6 data centers that we're using currently to store all the information. The recovery process, it's pretty simple. Those of you who are familiar with tape backup know that it could be a cumbersome process. With our online backup technology, it's a single-click restore. So basically, you just go to the file that you're looking to restore, the version of the file, and through the wizard interface, you're allowed to restore either to a single location or a different location. And we're also fully compliant with all the regulations out there today.
That's right, and as a couple of the previous speakers have noted, you know, local backup is great. I'm sure a lot of people also have at home that little box that sits next to your computer, the big hard drive, the one that protects everything that you've got going on. So if your hard drive crashes, you can back it up. But that doesn't really do anything if suddenly a river is in your basement. It can't really protect you against that, and that's one of the reasons that remote backup is such an important concept, because that way, in case of fire, earthquake, whatever, you can still get all of your data back. Everything is protected, everything is secure, and it comes back that fast.
Exactly. We have 2 products right now. We're working on a 3rd product, which is our disaster recovery product, which should be available 3 to 4 months. But today, we're going to market with a product called One, which is for laptop and desktop users, and a product called Pro, which protects corporate servers, including databases such as SQL and Exchange.
That's right, and the MSPs have the huge benefit of being able to completely brand the One and Pro products. I mean, we're not pushing this ourselves. This is through MSPs, this is through VARs and IT consultants. So you can completely rebrand that with your own logo and just have the little Powered by 9 sprite underneath it. It's great.
Exactly. For those of you who are working with trusted, partners today, for your IT organization, we've built partnership with a lot of IT consultants and larger hosting providers that are going to take this product, put it under their brand, provide the service and support, but we're going to be the back-end architecture. It's going to be powered by 9. So this is our interface right here for the desktop, laptop. We've tried to simplify it as much as possible so that anyone from a home user to a corporate laptop can use it. It's a simple backup and restore wizard. We also have an advanced tab down the bottom for the more savvy IT user if they want to get more granular.
That's right. When we say that it's a one-click restore, I mean, we're not kidding. You can really just click back up if everything is already checked there, and it just does it all for you.
This is the Pro Server backup product. We've taken some of the simple features out of it and made it more so that it's just more of an advanced option. So for those that want to go in and select what they want to back up, certain files, they have the ability to go into this chart. It also has advanced features for versioning for those of you who are under compliance regulations such as HIPAA or FINRA or SEC regulations. So a lot of public companies will choose this product as well. And I think that's it for 5 minutes.
Still running.
So.
information. I'll be in the other room with the pamphlets and flyers that I've got right here.
So,
Do
you
we
want
get
to
some
set up
questions,
while
or-
you get some questions there?
Me?
Or whoever's next?
Thank
Swap
you.
it out? No? Yeah.
Oh, we get to do
Someone
that.
ask him a question while I get.
No, not a problem at all.
Is it Windows only?
Right now it's Windows. We have our Linux. We have a version coming out for Linux in around 3 months.
No Mac.
Mac as well. We have Mac support on the roadmap, but today it's Windows only. One of the big features when we go to our enterprise DR product will be it's an agentless architecture, so a lot of backup technologies out there today. Every server or machine that you need to protect, you need to put an agent on. We're going to be an agentless architecture. We put one agent on the customer network, and we can set all backup policies from there. That's one of the main features of the product for ease of administration.
So, is it a proprietary technology that you're backing up?
It's our own proprietary software. It's been in development for 3+ years.
So the database stuff isn't out yet? It's coming?
The Pro product, the database for C-Blown Exchange is available.
And you can do like file level restore without an agent?
Correct. So, we're utilizing standard APIs from the vendors, Microsoft, Red Hat when we go there with Linux, but the end product will be an agentless architecture. We'll be able to back up databases high without an agent as well. So it solves a couple purposes where we don't have to put agents on the machine and take CPU and overhead from that machine.